This is Kanwal Shaha. I work as Director for State Water and Sanitation Mission Jharkhand and work with specific issues of hydrogeology and Swachh Bharat Mission grant. See, I have been working for last more than 4 or 5 years with the water quality issues here in Jharkhand. One of the major issues that we find is that making people understand that the water quality is an issue, and then what are the issues, quality issues associated with this is very difficult. And we are trying to take up this understanding to the village level, to our village level representatives, Jal Shayyas and village water and sanitation committees. So in that case, I find that this system that has been developed by ACVO has been very much user friendly, as well as it has a potential, potential to be used by number of village representatives who are actually finding it difficult to get into the formal lab-based system of examinations and getting their sources verified. So it can act as a ready reference for them, part one. And then two, surely that it is being supported by a worldwide database system. So it would help them to see that where they are with reference to their state, their country and other places. And then it would also help them to then effectively map and make other people understand that what are the sources that are already, that have difficulties, and help them to stay away from those sources. So that's the practical utility that it has. At the same time, I believe this would be a huge, there will be a huge impact on the researchers, those who are working with the water quality sector and water quality issues, because the system effectively helps you to map the sources and then export this data to GIS database. So that's the advantage you are looking for. As a geohydrologist and as an administrator, I was looking for such kind of a system, and I would always recommend that this sort of system should be taken up by the mainstream as a standard procedure of examination when we talk about active community participation in water quality monitoring and surveillance. As far as challenges is concerned, I think the present regime of lab-based testing, which is presently, which everybody suggests, but actually it is pretty difficult, to take to the community and make people understand. But that's the mainstream belief till date. So that somehow we have to work with that belief and advocate it appropriately to the government, mostly the government officials and international agencies, those who can successfully take it to the people through mainstream channels. That is the challenge that I visualize. And opportunities is essentially there is a growing concern about water quality at all sects of our society, and that is going to affect more in next 5 years or 10 years. So there is a huge business, a huge responsibility and huge opportunity that market exists. And but then the challenge would be to operational break even, and what will be the quantity and what will be the so that there is a challenge. But as far as our state and country of India is concerned, we see there is a huge market, provided scientific community accepts it with an open mind. So see an opportunity to collaborate, specifically because here in Jharkhand we are working with village water and sanitation committees, which are comprised of 10 representatives from the village level, and they look after the water resources, and we are trying to work so that we can empower them. So this kind of information system and a ready identification mechanism would be quite helpful for them to manage their water resources, measure and manage their water resources. So surely there is a possibility and which needs to be worked on.